going on, guys? This is day one for the Idaho trip. I have been looking forward to this for a long time. Me and Nick, we're gonna take the Redfox and head up north and spend 3 or 4 days there. I'm waiting for my mechanic to show up, and we're gonna change the spark plugs, change oil. Doing a final comb here, make sure all systems are go, and probably change the fuel pump as well because it's pretty old and it needs to be changed. So we'll do a quick check, quick test flight. Tomorrow morning we head to Idaho.
No, we don't like to talk. We're not so good for words. That's why we don't get that far. But she still reads my mind, so we can follow through. Always let our bodies talk. 'Cause when the daylight comes, we're just good friends. Baby, good friends, hanging on. When the daylight comes, we're just good friends, but like lovers. On the weekend, on the weekend, will we hang on, or will we end just like this? Will we find home, or will we stay just like this? 'Cause when the daylight comes, we're just good friends. Baby, good friends, hanging on. When the daylight comes, we're just good friends, but like lovers. On the weekend, on the weekend, on the weekend. On the weekend.
Good morning. It's pretty early, and we're ready to go here. Kitfox is ready. The idea today is to go from here, from Concord to Lovelock, fuel it up, and from Lovelock to go to Caldwell. Hopefully we can stop at Kitfox and say hi to the guys at Kitfox. I know everybody's at Oshkosh this week, and I'm not sure if anybody's going to be there, but we can stop and try. And so hopefully day one will be fun, right?
Yeah.
All right. See you.
Yeah, Concord traffic, the Kitfox is 19 right, and we'll take runway now, and it'll be right now in departure Concord traffic. Alright, we're full of fuel, sipping a little fuel there, and see how heavy we are. Okay, locks, door locks, flaps set.
Riverside, looking far from being strong, turning from the tide.
Alright, may the good thoughts and intuitions be with us.
I went down to
There goes up.
there, your eyes were dark and cold.
Oh man, there's no issue at all.
To go somewhere, a place that
They're right on the runway.
I will take you, I will make you fly. I will take you way up to the sky.
degrees.
Traffic Airport, vehicle on 32 right, crossing the 19ers, Minnesota Concord.
So here's what's the situation. We are close to Truckee, over the mountains just south of Truckee, and anytime my RPM goes, every time that I go above 5,000 RPM, I feel a thump, and it was increasingly getting worse, seems like, and I decided to turn back and see what's going on.
785, contact NorCal approach 120.9er.
So every time that I go above 5,100, 5,200 RPM, I was at 9,000 feet, actually 8,500, and every 30 seconds it goes like a little thump. So I don't know if my floater on the carburetor is not right.
227 Bravo Delta, contact Travis approach 128.4. 128.4, 7 Bravo Delta.
So it seems like it's a lot of fuel going on and the engine can't process. So I text my mechanic. He hasn't got back to me. We're heading back home, and we'll hear back from him and see what we can do. So for now, we are not going anywhere. We're just cruising here at 4,500 RPM. I don't want to push more, and we're pretty high here in case the engine quits. We have an airport right here, so that's the way it goes.
Alright, so here's an update. We made it down to Byron, and we got the Kitfox that Jeremy's taking a look at now. Man, it's bright here. And also Jeff has his Kitfox, and his CHTs and were pretty high, and they're also taking a look. So at this point, there is no Idaho trip today, and on top of that, a lot of new fires popped out over the mountains in Idaho, the back countryside. So at this point, we don't even know if we're gonna go there or not. So much for day one. It's a long day. Hopefully we'll see what's going on, and we can do a quick test flight and not have that thumb anymore that we're getting. So the speculation is carb ice, but we ruled that out pretty quickly because it's really warm in here. Although carb ice can get in warm temperatures, but the humidity is pretty low. It's very dry, so I don't think that is the case. So we're gonna weight the floats and see if there's anything wrong with the carbs, and from that on we're gonna do a test flight.
We don't like to talk, we're not so good for words. That's why we don't get that far. But she still reads my mind, so we can follow through. Always let our bodies talk. Cause when the daylight comes, we're just good friends. Baby, good friends, hanging on. When the daylight comes, we're just good friends, but like lovers on the weekend. On the weekend.
Quick update here. What we did was we cleaned the right carb, and now we're gonna wait and clean the left one. We're cleaning the air filters as well, and now we're gonna go for a test flight.
So Looks like we have done everything we can as far as our carbs go. The winds are hauling big time. Plane is shaking, look. Just sitting now. And we're gonna go for a test flight. Alright, it's all good. Gonna put trim up. 50% flaps. And we're gonna go up like an elevator, I think. And we're gonna go high up, maybe 8,000, 9,000 feet. See how it goes. Alright. Engine is good. Got a full power here.
Byron, traffic yellow, Kitfox, departing runway 23, left downwind departure, Byron.
We're climbing at 1,500 feet per minute now, and the OET temperatures are 100. I'm gonna start my left turn, pull power back a little bit. Gotta get it blown out. Alright, my oil temperature is on the red, so I'm gonna let it cool down. Pull back a little bit. Now I'm gonna turn left. Gonna stay close to the airport. Alright, so a little cooler on temperatures. Gonna put on a headwind here and see if we can cool even more.
Byron traffic, the red Kitfox is going to be on the east side of the airport, climbing probably 10,000 feet. We're going to stay at the 2 miles east of the Byron field. Byron traffic.
I'm feeling it. Yeah, I'm feeling it, still feeling it. Go up. Yeah, I feel it. So I feel the thumps. I see no difference. I see no difference. Oh, that was a big one. I'll pull the power back. Alright. Alright, that's it. So, it might be the return line. I don't have a return line. I might have to install a return line. What happened is I did change the fuel pump. And the fuel pump has a return line, which is just not connected right now. And it might be creating a different kind of a pressure. I'm not a mechanic, so I don't know. The reality is, doesn't feel right, doesn't feel comfortable. It's not the type of pilot that I am, and especially when I have my kid with me, flying over the mountains, over the Sierras, and going to the Idaho backcountry, it just doesn't feel right. So I gotta get this thing fixed. So for now, I think Idaho is a bust. Too bad, because we had a great weekend schedule. Everything was nice and reserved, and we're looking really forward to it. But, you know, safety first. And Too bad I won't be able to share with you guys all of the Idaho beauty, but there's always next time. So thanks for joining, and I'll see you the next time.
On the weekend.